We will solve this question from two methods. One is from the ground frame of reference and second is from the truck frame of reference. So let us say that the observer is standing here. So the observer is moving with an acceleration a. So since the observer is moving with an acceleration a, and now when the observer is seeing this bob, so it should have a pseudo force in this direction, which is ma. There is mg below and this is the tension. So since this is theta, okay, and everywhere you see it's mentioned theta with the angle with the vertical. This is theta, so therefore this should be also theta. So we write down the equations. The equation becomes t cos theta is equal to mg, t sin theta is equal to ma, since we are observing the bob to be at equilibrium. So therefore tan theta is equal to ma. So this is first equation, this is second equation. Now we divide the second equation by first. So tan theta equals ma upon mg, gone. So therefore theta is tan inverse a by g with the vertical, and of course it will be to the left. So to the left, and with the vertical it's tan inverse a by g. So therefore b is going to be the answer. So this is from the frame of reference of the truck frame of reference. Now let us do with the ground as the frame of reference. So for ground frame of reference, the observer on the ground, what he'll be seeing? He'll be seeing that the bob is not moving in the y direction, but the bob is moving in the positive x direction with an acceleration a. So there is t and this is mg. So therefore now this is theta. So since there is equilibrium in y direction, so therefore it's going to be t cos theta is going to be equal to mg, and there is acceleration a in the forward direction, so therefore t sin theta is going to be ma. So same equation, 2 divided by first, so we have tan theta is equal to a upon g, so therefore theta equals tan inverse a by g. So therefore b is going to be the answer in this case also.